Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up the month of February in our health planners, and I've got these sticker sheets ready to go, as well as these sticker books that I pulled from. Okay, so this month I have a plan to try a new fasting diet. If you follow my channel, you'll know that I have some pretty interesting health issues as far as asthma and allergies that they're chronic and they're year-round and they're debilitating. So I've tried a lot of different things as far as changing my diet, changing my medications, natural, and so far it's been a challenge to find something that works naturally and doesn't require me to go to the doctor and get some kind of like steroid shot or something like that. It's a constant battle for me, and this month I was introduced to a new type of diet called an alkaline diet. I guess it's not a new diet, but it was new to me. And I decided that this month I was going to try their raw fruit fast and see if I saw any improvement. So that's the goal for this month. I don't think I'm going to do it the entire month. I'm going to start off with the fruit fast, and then I'm going to slowly add in vegetables and then grains, but all within the alkaline diet, just to see if I see improvement, because I am already getting symptoms back from in fall where I have asthma every time I go to the gym, things like that. So I will try anything to get rid of this issue. If it means fasting and just eating fruit, I will do it. And that's the only thing that pushes me to do anything like this, is my health and well-being. If I just on a whim to do it, no, there's no way. I would be eating cookies and cake all day. So, but when I don't feel good, it definitely pushes me to do extreme measures. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. And my entire spread is just going to be devoted to that. My goal here is to use those top 6 boxes, the empty boxes of the month, as just kind of a little bit of visual motivation. So I pulled a bunch of fruits from the food sticker book and ones that are all within the diet, and then I am going to set this month up pretty simply because I plan on journaling throughout the month with how I'm feeling, and if I notice any improvements or if there's anything happening in my body that seems like the fast is doing something great, or if it's not, I just need to know. So I want to try it and see, and I know it's going to be a little rough. But I'm planning on starting off with one type of fruit all day for a week. So I don't know. We'll see. I haven't picked the fruit yet. It could be apples, could be watermelon or something. I don't know yet what I want to do, but I probably should do this in the summertime, but I can't wait that long because there's a lot more variety of seasonal fruits available in the summer, but I'm going to try it. So I'm setting this whole top part up just to kind of be a motivational spot for me. The first week, do the single fruit, and then I'll add in a variety of fruits the next week. That's the plan. And then the next week, I'll add in vegetables. And then the following week, I'll have like fats and grains and things like that. So wish me luck. I'm hoping that this is some kind of miracle cure. So back to the actual design of the spread. I set up my sidebar, as you could see, with a goal section. So that is my new strategy. I put my goals for the month there on the sidebar, the monthly, since I'll be turning to this page every day. And of course, this fast is going to be one of my goals, but also trying to maintain my workout schedule. I don't know how I'm going to be feeling as far as, energy levels or what, but we'll see how that goes. I just need to keep focused and remember that, don't give up when I know I'm going to feel like I don't want to do this anymore, and keep reaching for the goal, because if you start something and then you stop, it's hard to tell if it worked. And I've had that problem in the past where, like I've gone vegetarian or vegan and, you know, cut out dairy or something, and I think I'm doing okay, but then I'll eat something and not know, okay, well, was it working and now I don't feel better or what? So just trying to keep myself focused on the goal so I don't have to keep playing this game over and over again. Laying out a few little inspirational items throughout the month, just hoping to keep me on track and just keep me motivated to finish this month out strong. And then that is going to be basically my month. I'm not tracking steps, I'm not tracking anything else on this month. It's just going to be journaling. So I'm going to be using it. Wish me luck. And once I'm done here, we will be done, friends. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!